Okay, we're ready to play the sounds into the station. Obviously the CD player sits under the baseboard on its shelf, but for the purposes of this I'll just switch it on here and then we'll move it. And once I've got it on, I can turn the sound up.
Please travel in the front train only for Ashbridge, Guidebridge, Lowry Field, Newton for Hyde, Godley, Hattersley, Broadbottom, Dinting, Glossop and Hadfield. Platform 2 for the 10:18 Northern service to Hadfield. Platform 8 for the 10:30 Arriva Trains Wales service to Milford Haven.
And there we have it.
Stockport,
Sounds in the station.
Church Stratton, Craven-Arm, Ludlow, Leicester, Hereford, Abergavenny, Cumbrae, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath, Swansea, Gowerton, Llanelli, Pembrey and Ferryport, Carmarthen, Whitland, Llanderman, Western Road, Hudson West, Johnston and Milford Haven. Gowerton, Llanderman,
The station itself is adapted from an old Hornby goods shed. That's the sides and the roof, and at each end I've used the Hornby platform canopies as well, and I wanted something where you had plenty of glass in it so you could see inside, and obviously something big enough. So, and the sliding door there is from the Pico kit. So it's bits and pieces all put together so it's the right size and so I could see inside it. So we've got our speakers, and we've got our CD player, and we've got our pack of blank discs. Not an expensive setup, pack of blank discs, a few pounds for a pack of 10. CD player, not new, that was eBay, but in perfect working order and as new. I think that was about £12. And the speakers, again, our friends at eBay, about the same price. Again, not new, but in perfect working order, and just made up the kit that I needed. What you could also do, of course, is record your own sounds, burn those onto disc, and use those. It's a perfect way of having the sound from the station that you want. That's the information board I'm still working on as well, which is going to go inside the station with the speakers. Got partly done. Decide whether using these Google images again. And I'm going to have the probably have the cafe on this side. I'll go there, and probably have the ladies and gents on that side. Okay, so from the beginning there's basically 3 easy steps. First thing to do is download the sounds from YouTube using YouTube to MP3 converter. You can type that into Google or YouTube and it'll give you the explanation of that. It's very easy to use. Number 2, once you've got those downloaded, burn that onto the blank disc, and then when you've got that, you want a CD player that plays MP3. And we're good to go. I went for quite simple, straightforward speakers. These are connected, 2 batteries, and the on and off switch.
This is the platform alteration. The 10:46 Northern service to Crewe via Manchester Airport will now depart platform 8. The train at platform 8 is the 10:46 Northern service to Crewe. Calling at Moldeth Road, Burnage, Hounslow, Walton Edge, Forest Chapel, Sandbach,